Welcome back to How to Tech Well. If you like to watch a lot of YouTube videos like I do, but wish they didn't take up quite so much time in your day, there is actually a way you can increase the playback speed of your videos, and you can also slow it down. So to do that, go to the video you want to change the speed of, and then click on the cog settings button just down here in the bottom right of the screen. And then click on speed. Now it's currently set to normal, the little tick by normal, which is the normal speed, but to quicken it up, select any of these three, and to slow it down, select any of the bottom three. Now to speed it up, I normally have it on 0.75 because I find this speeds it up a little bit, but you don't see much notice in kind of the speed of the voice. The person still sounds pretty normal. So I normally select that one. And once you've clicked that, you can just play your video and it will play a little bit quicker. Of course, you can play it much quicker by selecting the 0.25 or the 0.5, or you can play it much slower. For example, if they're giving you detailed instructions that you really need to focus on. And then, of course, to put it back to normal, you just click the normal one and it goes back to normal. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and comment in the box down below if you've got any questions, and I will help you out as soon as I can.